Hi there, I'm going to do a quick video showing you how I'm using Claude Chrome and Claude Cowork for a car detailer to find leads on LinkedIn real quick. First thing you're gonna want to make sure is that you have your Anthropic Claude in your Chrome extension. You want to make sure you have that. I believe it's under Anthropic, what to look up and what to download. Make sure you have that and that it's connected. Okay, you're going to be having it put it in your tongue-tied, unedited. You're going to be putting it in Google Sheets. You're going to want to make sure your Google Sheets is connected. I connected it through Zapier. I cannot find it here in the connectors, but if you can't find it in the connectors, you can do an MCP connection as well. If you need help with that, let me know. Otherwise, yeah, so you need those connected. So what I did, prompt in the description, but I have this prompt. I run a car detailing business in Eau Claire. I want to find dream clients on LinkedIn using Claude and Chrome. My ideal clients are people who either own nice vehicles or are responsible for a bunch of them. Think luxury, exotic car owners, car dealerships, especially used and pre-owned lots that need cars cleaned before they sell. Fleet managers, real estate agents, and realtors, their car is their mobile office. Limo and black car services, auto auction houses, and small business owners with brand company vehicles. Go to LinkedIn, search for these types of people and businesses within 25 miles of Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Build me a list of best 20 to 30 prospects. For each one, pull their name, title, company, location, anything from their profile or recent posts I could use to start a real conversation, like a new dealership location, a fleet they just mentioned, or a car they are clearly proud of. Then sort them by who's the easiest, warmest, yes, someone who needs detailing often and can pay for it, down to long shots. Put it all in a spreadsheet I can open. And then it started working. Let's see, so it logged into my LinkedIn, keeps going. My Google Sheet connector for some reason wasn't working right. So it actually asked me in here if it wanted me to add to do the DM opener, which I said yes. So they had 30 ranked prospects with hooks and openers. Okay, what happened once I gave the prompt, it went over to my LinkedIn profile. So you want to make sure that you tell it to use your LinkedIn profile to be logged in on the browser so that it can get in there. That's what I have done. Make sure you're logged in so that it can just log in, or it can just use it. And then it's going to go through and it's going to find all these people for you. And it's pretty cool. It's so cool and so easy. Anyway, so I got done with doing that, and it created for me a PDF that I could use. So it gave me the name, title, company, location, category, connection. Some of them I've already been connected to. I don't do car detailing, so these are different kinds of connections. But so it gives you why they fit in the hook, and then it gives you a draft opener, a message to send to them to get the conversation started. So I just wanted to show you a way to do these. And it gives you the long shot, warm leads, and then cold leads. And then it kind of looks like it gives you kind of directions, the hot or dealerships, the local auto auction. What I didn't verify. Recent post specifics weren't pulled up for every person. But yeah, that's 30 separate profile visits. So yeah, anyways, so that's how you do it. That's kind of how you use Claude and Chrome. I'll do another one for something else, or for a different reason, or for something else, some way to find leads in my next video. But hopefully this helps you a little bit, gives you kind of an idea. If you need more help with doing stuff like this, go to my school, myaischool.connectcraftai.com. So see you till next time.